Welcome back to Quiz Prapancha. Today we are going to play the game Guess the Shadow of Animals, Birds, Fruits and more. Let's begin. Here is the shadow. Can you recognize this? You have 15 seconds to recognize this. Yes, it's a lion. Next. Can you recognize this? Yeah, it's a crocodile. Can you recognize this shadow? Yes, of course, this is the honey bee. Next, can you? What shadow it is? Recognize this shadow. Yes, this is the turtle. Can you recognize this shadow? Think fast. Recognize this. Time is going to end. Yes. Of course, this is the ant. So what is this shadow? Can you recognize this? Yes, this is a school bag. Yes, what is this? Can you recognize this shadow? Yes, this is the killing answer, cotton pillows. What is this? What shadow it's? Yes, it's a hornbill. Can you recognize this shadow? What is this shadow belongs to? It looks like a bird. Can you? Yes, it's nothing but a crow. Next, what it is? Can you recognize this? Think fast. It looked like insect. Yes, it's a beetle. Next, what is this? What shadow it is belongs to? Yes, this is a car, beautiful car. What shadow it belongs to? Can you recognize it? Yes, this is the mosquito. What is this? Can you recognize this shadow? It's very simple. You can. Yes, of course, this is the chair. What is this? Recognize this shadow quickly. Good, the right answer. Cockroach. What is this? Recognize this shadow. Yes, this is the casserole pot. What is this? Can you recognize this shadow? It's very simple. It looks like animal. Yes, it's a beautiful deer. Can you recognize this animal? See the shadow. Observe it. Focus it. Yes. Yeah, this is the big elephant. Next, what is this? Can you recognize this shadow? It's very easy. Yes, this is a honeybee. What is this? What shadow it is? Looks like something. Yes. Yes. Yes, this is the hummingbird. Beautiful. What is this? Can you recognize this? Looks like a rope. Quickly. Come on. You can. Yes, this is the cobra. What is this? Can you recognize? This is very blur. You can do it. Yes, this is a mosquito. What is this? Recognize this shadow. It looks like something. It's very blurry, but you can do it. This is a mushroom. Good, very good. What is this? You can recognize it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Recognize the correct one. Yes, you are appreciable. This is the peacock. Yes, you are a genius. Come on. Recognize this. Yes, what is this shadow belongs to? Your guess is correct. This is the penguin. What is this? What it looks like? You can guess it. You are a genius. Come on. Good, this is the stove pot. Yes, this is the new one. What shadow it is? You can recognize the shadow fast. You can. You are brilliant. Yes, come on. This is the poisonous scorpion. Very good. What is this? You can recognize it. Yeah, you are highly appreciable if you recognize it. You are a good person. Come on. Good. This is a spider. What is this? You can recognize it. It looks like an animal. But what animal it is? You can recognize it. You can do it. Come on. Yes, this is a tiger. Yes. Once again, one more. Recognize this picture. Recognize this shadow. What it is. Come on. Good. This is the fish. Delicious fish. Yeah, one more shadow. You can recognize it. What it is? Somebody is dancing here with the wings. What it is? Good. This is the bat. Yes, one more shadow. You can recognize it. What it is? Very good. This is a very smart dolphin. Yeah. One more shadow for you to recognize. You can do it. Looks like an animal. But which animal you can? Yes, this is the fox. Good. What is this? You can recognize it. It looks like something, a triangle, resembles to triangle. Yes, this is the human ear. Wow. Yeah, you can recognize this. What shadow it is? Something sharp on its head. Good. Yes, this is the unicorn. Beautiful unicorn. Yes, what is this? You can recognize this. Looks like an animal. Good, this is the dog. Yes, what it is? You can guess whether it is an animal, bird, or what. Yeah, it's a roaring tiger head. Good. Yes, one more picture for you. One more shadow. We can recognize it. Yes, this is the cat. Cute cat. Yes, one more shadow for you to recognize. Guess it. What it is? It looks like an old woman. No. This is the gorilla. Yes, one more shadow for you. Recognize it. What it is? You are highly appreciable if you recognize this. Good, this is the frog. Yes. One more shadow for you to recognize. Yeah, what it is? Think twice. Don't be fail. Go, this is the owl. Next, what shadow it is belongs to? Whether it is an animal, bird, or things, what it is? As this is a rat. Yeah, another picture, another shadow for you. You can recognize. You will recognize. Good. This is a dove. One more picture for you. Yes. Guess it. Think twice. Yes, this is the ladybug. Yeah, what is this? Looks like a black crow, but it may not be. Guess it 2 times. This is a Spyro. Very good. Yeah. What is this? It look like a bird. But don't know what is this. Yes, this is the white cock. Next, what is this? Look at this shadow and recognize what it is. It looks like a big alien, but not. This is the butterfly, beautiful butterfly. Yeah, one more shadow for you. What it is? Yes, you are highly appreciable if you recognize this picture or shadow. Good, this is the grey head crane. What is this? Recognize it. Think twice. Focus on the shadow. Imagine what it is and tell the answer. Yes, this is the panda, cute panda. Yes, what it is? What shadow it is belongs to? You can do it. Just imagine. Focus on the shadow. Good, this is the panther, head of the panther. Yes, what is this? Yes, recognize it. It may be very cute. By seeing the shadow you can understand. Yes, this is the parrot. One more shadow for you. Go through it. Focus on it. Think twice. Tell the answer. Yes, this is the domestic dog. Yes, what is this? Looks like a jaguar, black jaguar, but it may not be. You have to tell. Yes, this is the head of the tiger. Good. Yes, one more picture for you. One more shadow for you. One more twist for you. You can recognize this shadow and tell the answer what it is. Yes, this is the frog, cute frog. Yeah, one more shadow for you. Again, think twice, thrice. You can recognize the shadow, what picture it is. Good, this is the bell pepper. Yes, what is this? Your answers is highly appreciated and highly valuable if you recognize. Good, this is a coal-drawn wood fire. Next picture, next shadow is for you. You can recognize it, what it is. Looks like small bubbles, but may not be. Good, these are the grapes, black grapes. Is what it is. Recognize the shadow. Your answer is highly appreciable. Yes, good. This is the kiwi fruit. Yes, one more shadow for you. 99% the people will fail to answer this. You will confuse, but this is the lemon. What it is? 100% of the people will fail to answer this. I'll challenge you. You cannot. You won't. But this is the mango piece. Yes, of course. Another picture for you. Another shadow for you. Only 10% of the people will fail, but the 90% of the people will pass in this. You can't recognize it. I know. This is the red paper. Congrats. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share and subscribe to my channel.